Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Grammarly for freelance writing projects, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Grammarly website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log in to your Grammarly account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Apps tab to find different platform options. Choose the platform that suits your writing style best. For browser integration, select the option for your specific browser. Install the Grammarly extension by following the prompts. After installation, confirm that the extension is enabled in your browser settings. Return to your Grammarly dashboard to access the main features. For desktop use, download the Grammarly desktop app as well. Install the app by following the on-screen instructions. Open the app and log in with your account details. Familiarize yourself with the interface and available tools. Consider enabling the tone detector to tailor your writing style. Adjust the settings to reflect your writing goals. Select options such as audience type, formality, and intent. Use the Grammarly editor to create or upload your freelance projects. Review the suggestions offered by Grammarly in real time. Make corrections as needed based on the feedback provided. Utilize the plagiarism checker for original content verification. Experiment with the word choice suggestions for enhanced readability. Explore the performance metrics to track your writing improvement. Save your documents within the Grammarly app for easy access. Sync your work across devices for flexibility in writing on the go. Finally, regularly check for software updates to ensure optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.